The opportunity to mass customise products, for instance wallpaper, tiles, carpets and clothing, is a huge potential area for growth in digital print. Unlike traditional print techniques, where very short runs were not commercially viable, with digital print you can print onto anything and everything to give unique, customised and personalised products cost effectively. The introduction of 3D additive printing means you can also create customised physical products in metals and plastic. However, to realise this potential we need to think less about a printer or a press and more about a print subsystem in a wider factory. Digital inkjets will appear at multiple points on the production line, for instance during product decoration, packaging and labelling. To bring mass customisation to the majority will require the print industry to take up a quest. Mass customised products at near mass production prices are the retailer's holy grail. Print is not alone in this challenge. This fully automated vision for production is encapsulated in some common terms: Industry 4.0 and smart factories. Smart factories are designed to autonomously run the entire production process, and this will include the print subsystems. With smart factories, labour is no longer the main cost factor, and this may move manufacturing back onshore, which gives a big opportunity for new device sales. Zero stock, zero waste and manufacturing locally are great for the environment. However, adding print to these smart factories requires a rethink in the software and hardware stack. The DFE or digital front end will need to become smart as well. And to get mass adoption, the SmartDFE must be no more expensive than today's print systems and DFEs. To find out more about the SmartDFE, download the white paper and start your quest today.